What up, guys? Okay, we are wrapping up our Photoshop collage, your masterpieces this week, and we've got one more step, one more stage here to take those collages into what's called a Photoshop mockup. And the bigger learning here is that we're going to be messing with what are called smart objects, which is a concept inside of Photoshop that's relatively new, and it was kind of a game changer when it came out. So what I want us to do is you have your collages. This was one, oh, I didn't mean to open that. This is one that I did a long time ago, and I'll use it for my collage. But what I want you to do is everybody navigate out to a website called mrmockup.com. And what we're going to do is feel free to peruse here, but what we're going to do is look at their freebie section. This is Mr. Mockup is kind of an offshoot of an ad agency, and they kind of realized that they were creating a lot of these, so they're offering them to design. They were creating a lot of mock-ups for their work, and I think they realized they wanted to share those with the world. So there's some really fun mock-ups here that I want you to review. If you want to, what we're going to do, big picture, is take our collages and place them into these mock-ups. So you're going to choose three of these. So I chose this one, this wall PSD mock-up. I think I chose a bag. Where was that bag? So there's multiple pages here. Keep cruising through. Look at every page before you kind of stop and make your selections. The pizza box would be a lot of fun. Oh, the indoor sign. I did that one. I thought there was a bag like on a beach or something. Where was that? The t-shirt would be a good one. That's a great t-shirt mock-up. Where you at? Not that one. Maybe I already passed it. Let's see. Oh, right there, canvas bag. Okay, so you're going to choose these, and the very next step is to kind of click into them. So find one you like, click into it, check out the images, and there should be a big download button. So click download, and what they're giving you is a zip file that we will then unzip. So I'm downloading it. I like to view it in Finder here, and let Finder show it to me. Here it is, sorry. I got two displays here. So whenever you download it, it'll be a zip. And what I'll usually do is unzip it in my downloads folder and then drag this folder that you end up with into your PSD mockups folder that you've already created based on your kickoff document that I gave you. So within your folder structure, right, you've got the class, you've got our project number 1, you've got your tutorial files, you've got your visual resources files. You should have your actual collage at this level, and you'll have now a new folder called PSD Mockups. So here's one of them, Canvas Bag. Before we get too much further, let me download another one here. Wall flag, that's not one I grabbed. So here's Canvas Bag. I'm going to go back and see if I can find one more. Ooh, that'd be cool. Vinyl cover mockup. Okay, so the vinyl cover I'm going to download as well. When it comes down, where you at? Boom. All right, it's coming in. I'm going to view it in Finder, show in Finder. Vinyl cover mockup, double click to unzip it. If you're on a Windows machine, I think it's right click, uncompress or something. So click and drag this folder now into your PSD mockup. So you'll have 3 here. I'm just going to pull 2 out. And let's start with the canvas bag. So when you go into that folder, there's some PDF documentation that they give you, which is super helpful. The license, because we are using it, in class, it's totally good to go here. And then you should end up with a PSD, Photoshop document. So let's double click that, open it in Photoshop. Let me pull Photoshop over. Okay, so this is a Photoshop mockup. There are some layers, as you will now be familiar. They've got what looks to be kind of probably a copyright or just an info layer here that they've got locked. So let's click on it, unlock it, and just delete that layer. Yeah, we know. Then there's a layer that's adding light effects to the bag. It looks like if you open it up, you can see what's happening there. And then there is a bag layer and a background or BG folder, I guess. Then there is a layer here with an icon that we haven't really talked about. So this is a vector shape here that you could mess with if you pressed A, the direct select tool. I wouldn't suggest we mess with it, but if you click on it, you can see the vector shape that some of you hopefully created in some of our previous tutorials. And what they're doing is putting this layer within a mask on top of this this bag layer here. And what's happening is this is essentially this icon right here, Smart Object, essentially tells us that this is a Photoshop document inside of another Photoshop document. So what we're going to do is actually double click on this icon, and it's going to simply open up another document here. We've got two documents open, right? So this one's called Your Design Here, which will help us see where to put our design whenever we're ready. But what I want to show you is that if the smart objects, what they are, let me create a random thing here. What it is an editable. I'm going to turn off their layers. So they've got two layers here, and I'm just going to add this big red circle. I'm going to close it and save it. That's a kicker. You got to save it. And check it out. What it's doing is it's bringing anything from that other document, this smart object, and making it show up within this document. So let's double click in. Let's type out graphic design is rad. We'll make that big. Sweet. Okay, so we'll get it kind of roughly eyeballed. I'm going to close and save. And now we see our text on this mock-up here. It's mocking it up so it looks realistic, and it really does look pretty realistic, which is awesome. Okay, so based on our knowledge, what we want to do is bring over our collage files into this PSD mock-up. So I'm gonna find, where you at? I'm gonna find my Photoshop collage. Here we go. This was a super cool collage that I'm sure you're all envious of. And I'm going to grab all the layers from my working collage. So yours will have different stuff, right? But you'll have layers or folders or one big folder or 20 different layers. And you're going to grab them all, right click, duplicate. We're going to tell it to be in the Your Design Here document. Say OK. And now we have, I'm going to put it up at the very top of everything and turn everything else off. So now we have our stuff from our Photoshop collage inside of this new document. Now check it out, it doesn't really fit. And that's okay. What I want you to do is simply scale it up or down to fit. So I'm going to do, with all of these layers selected, I'm going to do Command T to transform. I'm going to let it align to the top and shift and drag these down. If some of you may have this icon selected, and if it's selected, you don't have to hold shift. And if you're holding shift and it actually skews it, then you know that maybe you have this document already selected. If you don't, you can totally turn it on, and what that does is lock the ratio of whatever you have selected. If you have it unselected, that means you can tweak it and skew it, which I wouldn't suggest you do. I suggest you always press and hold the shift button whenever you're scaling stuff up or down. So I'm going to pull this over and kind of get the text in there. Maybe we'll start with that. I just pressed Enter on my keyboard, or you could have pressed the big checkbox here to kind of to kind of get out of the transform tool. Okay, so we pulled all of our assets from our collage into the Your Design here, and we've just turned off everything else. And that's okay, just leave them unvisible. Then I'm gonna close it, but I gotta save it. And now let's go check our canvas bag. Sweet. Okay, so we've randomly thrown this collage into a pretty cool looking mock-up. And what we need to do now is do a save as. So file, save as. And we're going to create this mock-up. What I would do is probably put it at this level here. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to say canvas bag mockup A01 because this is the first version. And we're going to keep it as a Photoshop document and go ahead and save. So this says, yeah, I'm going to keep it Photoshop. Okay, so now what I have is PSD Mockups. I have the canvas bag mockup, and this is the original if I ever wanted to get back to it. But now I have mine with my super cool, I'm just pressing spacebar to preview here, super cool Photoshop collage within a bag. Okay, so there's one. Let's move on to the second one, the vinyl cover or sleeve. And again, you can unlock this layer and delete it. I just pressed the delete key on my keyboard. And what we're looking for is to see if we can find the Smart Object layer. Remember, these do not have that little special document icon. The background, again, has got some stuff on it, but that's just a vector icon. That's not a new document or Smart Object. And if you keep your mouse on it, yeah, it says Smart Object Thumbnail, Layer Thumbnail. So we're just going to double click into this, and now we have a new document that says that kind of has some stuff that's already there. We're going to turn those off. I'm going to go back to my collage layer or document. Since they're all still selected, I'm just going to go duplicate layers. We're going to duplicate it into the Your Design here. Go OK. Now go look at Your Design here. Cool. So it's pulled it in. I'm going to have to scale it up a little bit. So Command T to transform. Shift drag from the corner. Kind of fill up the screen. Yeah, this one will fit a little better. Instead of pressing the Enter key, I'm just going to reach up here and press this kind of confirm or commit key. That's just going to lock everything down. Then I'm going to close this and save. And what that'll do is save this file back into the vinyl cover. Sweet. So you got that new album that's about to drop. Maybe you want to put your your collage on the cover because it looks super cool. So again, pretty quick way to get your artwork into a realistic setting. So I want you to find 3 of these, save them. Once you get your artwork into it, let's do another save as. And we're going to put this one next to the canvas bag option. But again, let's title it vinyl cover mockup _A_01 because this is the first version. Go ahead and save that, and boom. Now we have our original. We have our mockup folder. We have the original vinyl inside the folder that we downloaded. We've got our working file with our super cool collage out at the outside level. So do 3 of those, and let's look at these next week. All right, thanks guys.